This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Morrow. Charming Key West-style furnished lakefront home with an extended family room and screened lanai. As you enter the screened front porch, you'll notice the cypress wood tongue and grove ceiling. Upon entering the front door you'll find the living, dining and den areas plus 10-volume ceilings. Laminate flooring throughout and updated kitchen west/granite counters, top-of-the-line appliances, recessed lighting plus eat-in area and pantry allows for easy meal prep. Family room windows plus slider are impact glass and there are accordion shutters all around. The spacious Lania overlooks the lake and boasts of cypress wood tongue and groove ceiling. Cellars installed well for irrigation. Community offers nature trails, bike paths, canoe, kayak and boat launches into St Lucie River west/ocean access plus boat storage areas. Hurry! For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Morrow at 772-979-1426.